Hello, everyone. Uh, Today we talk about IT network automation. This is a section for uh, the automatic getting network device connection information for the network topology drawing. Um, this is an automation skill I developed in the last projects, and I want to share the automation skill with you. And I want to share the skill with you. This is major for the people working in network, IT network, and hopefully it can be helpful to you in But, uh, you know, for IT network project, when we start the project, the very first thing we need to do is we need to get the topology, the network topology, and we need to do this with we need to get the information from the network device to know which network devices are connected to each other, and just and just and just and draw the network topology accordingly and mark the connecting interface. This is a basic and first step for the network project. And yeah, and to do this, to draw the topology, we need to get the connection information. We say the topology information, the which network devices are connected, and just and just and what is the connection interface, and to do this, we we just usually go just telnet, just network devices one by one, use show cdp neighbor command and show LLDP neighbor command to find the CDP neighbor and LLDP neighbor for each network devices. We just collect this information, the CDP neighbor information, LLDP neighbor information in in a file together, and we just try and we just document the file, try to find which device are connected each other, and and also just classify the network device connection and the local connection. The network device connection is the connection between two network devices. Uh, just and the local connection is the network device just connecting to the local device. The local device is not the network device, it's maybe AP or just a printer server. They don't just run the IP protocol. It's not a network device, so we call this connection the local device connecting to the network device, a local connection, and we classify the local connection, network connection, and we just draw and we just draw the topology accordingly. This procedure, I mean, just document the network connecting information file and just get the network CDP neighbor and LLDP neighbor information. If we do it manually, it's just time consuming and boring. So this video I just to talk about writing automatic code to do this work. Mm, This is the code. To do the network topology connection information collecting work, we need just here I just do it with two code and just the first code I sorry. The first code is about getting CDP neighbor LLDP neighbor information from the just network devices. Maybe many network devices, hundreds of, more than hundreds of. We just use the configuration getting code. This code I once show in other video about the network device configuration information getting. And yeah, this is the same code, just to get the LLDP neighbor information and CDP neighbor information. It is the base information for us to document, to just collect the network topology connection information. This is the code. This code comes with two files: command fields and index fields. The command fields just include the show CDP neighbor, show LLDP neighbor. This is the show command we want to run in this code. To do this, we get the CDP neighbor information, LLDP information for all the devices. And the index text just lists the network device we want to collect the information. Here is just a simple example, but the code is same. Maybe hundreds of network device, and this is the device name and SSH tail administration name, password, the telnet address. Just I ran this code in other videos, so we not run here. Just the same. So I just skip it, and I just say running this code, and just for these devices, and get the information for LLDP neighbor and CDP neighbor. The device, this for device, this for device, and the result is here. Get the CDP neighbor information, LLDP neighbor information. One, two, three, four. Just the CDP neighbor information, LLDP neighbor information. And then we deal this config, just this information file about CDP information, LLDP information. We deal with this file with this code. And I just say it again. These two codes is a common one, and you can copy and use it directly in your network project. Mm, and these come with two files as I referred. This is a code. This is a code. I will publish the code in the uh, a public cloud area. And if you get interested, you can download or you can just see the code from this video. Uh, as I say, these two code you can just take it and directly use it in your network project. The status show for getting the CDP neighbor information, LLDP neighbor information from the network devices, and the document the device connected information get. This code for collect the CDP neighbor and LLDP neighbor information and just list the network device connection and the local connection for the network topology drawing. As I say, I just after running this code, we can just get the file here. It just it's just about the CDP neighbor information, LLDP neighbor information for the network devices. And just make sure um, for the for the neighbor information content in each line, make sure there's a space between there's space or spaces between two just each word between each word and yeah just use space to sorry, just to make sure there's a space there between each word, and because in this code we use for each line word extracting, we use just space to identify the difference between each word. Yeah, here each line split just the default parameter the default parameter is just space here space in each line we use space to uh, to just extract the single word. Just the word, there's a space just between word and word. We a symbol a single space between each word. So here in the code, we use line split. It it means we just extract the word. We extract each word from the line by space. I I will run the code and see what it can do. As I say, this is CDP neighbor information, LDP information for the devices. Here is a simple one, only 4 devices. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It can be hundreds of. But the more information there is, the more efficient our automation program can can bring. Okay, I run the code. This is a document. As I say, it will analyze. It will document the file and get the and just list the network connection and the local connection for devices. And just this is just for the network topology drawing preparation. And the result will be right in this field. Now it's an empty one. I run the field. Oh, sorry, I run the code and see. Yeah, I run it. I run this code and see the result. Here is the result. I just make it clear. Just for the 4 devices, I just list the local connection. The local connection here is just for this device and which local device are connected to this network device and and what is the connection interface in the connection. Yeah. Same for this one and same for this one and same for this one. And just list the local connection between local connection for the network devices. There are only 4. It's a simple example, so just 4 network devices, can be hundreds of. And here is a network device connection, just the connection between the 2 network devices, and just yeah, just say which network devices are connected to each other, and just and what is the connection interface. Just here, if from the devices from the from the devices we just for example we know okay the A01 connected to A03, and just this is what we get from the A01 LLDP or CDP neighbor information. We will also get the same one from the A3 LLDP information and CDP information. Just A03 connect to A01, but it will not list it again because it has already been listed just for A01. Okay, this is a code, and this is the code result. Just list the device topology information. just for the topology drawing. So you see the procedure, and we can write the program, this two program, and just collect the network device connection information. Um, it is just faster and more accurate than collecting the information manually. And then as I say, these two codes can you can run directly from just you can run directly in your network project. This one gets the LLDP information, CDP information, and this one worked for the CDP LLDP neighbor information file, and just get the and just collect network device connection information. You can run directly in your network project without modifying. And of course, just to make sure for the running with these two for these two program running, uh, prepare the association file command text and index text. Command text is just content to show command, and index contact just list which network the network device name, and the SSH telnet information. Uh, yeah, these two file will work together with these two automation code. Okay, this is what I want to show you in this video, and hopefully it can be helpful to you in your network project. And yeah, get interested, please copy the code and use in your work. Thanks for watching. That's all.